Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by entering the quadratic in y equals. First, type the exact expression x2 plus bx plus c. Use parentheses for negative coefficients so the parser reads them correctly. Once done, set a reasonable window range. Choose xmin and xmax around expected roots and ymin/ymax to include the vertex. You do this to ensure the curve displays fully. Otherwise, the graph might look flat. Make sure the function line is selected and not disabled, then press Graph to see the parabola. Once the parabola appears, locate key features with the calculator's analysis tools. Use Calc, Second Trace, to select minimum or maximum, pick a left bound, then a right bound, then a guess so the device isolates the vertex precisely. To find roots, use the 0 command with left/right bounds and a guess near each intercept. You can also open the table or use n-deriv/intersect to evaluate slope or intersections. These steps confirm what the graph visually suggests and give exact numerical results. To finish, read off and record the vertex coordinates, axis of symmetry, roots, and the y-intercept from the analysis outputs and table. These are your final answers. If the graph seems wrong, make sure coefficients were entered correctly and adjust the window. A too large scale hides curvature. If the calculator won't show the function, try Zoom Stat, reset the graph settings, or re-enter the equation. This fixes parsing or scale issues and prevents misinterpretation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.